everyone. In today's video we will see how to fix the LG UltraGear not connecting to the PC or laptop. Input, cable, driver and USB-C fix. So the fixed one, you can check monitor input source. Turn on the LG UltraGear monitor. Press the joystick or menu button on the monitor. After that, open the input setting and then select the correct input like HDMI, DisplayPort or USB-C. Fix 2. Reconnect the cable. Turn off the monitor and PC laptop. Then remove the HDMI, DP or USB-C cable. After that, plug the cable back tightly on both sides and turn everything on again. Fix 3. Use another port. Disconnect the cable from the current port. Then try another HDMI, DP or USB-C port on the PC or monitor. Then restart the device. Now we move to our final fix. Restart the PC or laptop. Turn off the computer. Unplug the monitor power for 1 minute. Then turn on the monitor and PC again. Goodbye.